Okay, man. Look. Okay. Here's the prize. Focus.
Around she goes. Yeah, focus is not her issue.
Does not suffer from a lack of focus.
Tim.
Oh, that's alright.
Okay.
Look, Madeline. Now we move it over there. And around she goes. Over the obstacles. You gotta push it out of the way. You get it out of the way? Yes, she's filming you. But that doesn't, you can't let that affect your focus. You're only so you don't pound your head on that. Great.
She's got the glass. Good job, Madeline. Alright.
Okay, now let's move it to the other side. Good work. Okay, now we're going to move it over here.
And around she goes. No complaint, no hesitation.
No complaint, no hesitation.
This is great. We're just getting her worn out before bed.
No sooner do I move it than she starts turning.
She could go around, but she has to go over.
This is fun.
She doesn't seem upset.
No. Ugh. This just can't be normal.
That's my favorite part, when she goes over you and her feet kick up.
Okay. New target. Way over there now. Oh, are you okay? You don't care. Well, it did hurt, but you keep trucking anyway. This is crazy. Wuggy, 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 wuggy. Oh, you don't like that?
Oh, Madeline! What's the matter, girlie?
Did you
Oh, such a sad face.